Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve Jan. In today's videos, we're gonna do my favorite thing, beauty box review and unboxing. And today we are going to do Boxycharm premium box for January. Alright, so let me put my glasses on because anytime I do Boxycharm, I need to read. The card they give to us is so tiny, it's like can't see anything. Alright, let's open this box right now. Ta-da! This is the premium box. So pretty. As always, there's cards right here, has all the information. How many items they have? 6 items. Very good. Let's see what this looks like here. Whoa, there's some really cool stuff right here. I can't wait to show you all of them. Okay, let's see what's this first. So the first product I have here is by Yibu Beauty. And this is called Think Bright Glow Hydrating Serum with Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid. Retail for $28. Wow, that's good. Usually I get their makeup. I never got their serum before, so we'll see. Oh, this is really pretty. Kind of like a peach glow iridescent serum. Beautiful packaging. That's a little bit. You see that? Wow, it's pretty. Let's try it. It's a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in there. Very interestingly, because usually vitamin C you need to be in opaque packaging. This is completely see-through. So that tells me the vitamin C content is very, very small. Okay, there's no smell in there. It's almost like a water texture. It's really lightweight. So yeah, I definitely will give a try of this. And I don't think I'm gonna get brighter looking skin because like I say, typically vitamin C you do need opaque packaging. So this is probably going to be more hydration purpose anyway. So it does, once you apply to the skin, it has a little slippery texture to it, but not sticky. So slippery, not sticky, if you know what I mean. Okay, let's go on next item. The next item is by Light. And this is their premium foundation for $30. It's a new brand to Beauty Boxycharm. Let's take a look. So it comes in like this plastic packaging. Very simple, very clean. Color they give us is walnut. So we'll see. It is an oil-free foundation to give a natural, soft, matte finish. It's medium to full coverage. So let's try if this is gonna work on my skin. Oh man, this is too dark. But you can see though, it's beautiful. Way too dark for my skin. But it's beautiful. There's no fragrance in there. Definitely medium to matte finish. Oh, I wish I can get a lighter colors. Alright, let's move on to the next item. So next one is by Dominique. And this is their unconditional palette. $28 with a 6 warm tones. And let's take a look at this right now. Hold on. The box is really pretty. Wait, how do I open this? Okay, right there. The box is really nice. It's kind of soft, a soft finish. So that's kind of expensive. Oh, I like this packaging. Very sleek, very, very modern packaging. Take a look at these colors. Oh, you know what? I love what they did is they put a little plastic over the mirror. It's totally for blogger. Yeah, because when we do makeup review, we try to cover the mirror. So this is perfect. You can see a 6 color right here. They are beautiful, right? Look at this iridescent color right here. Really, really pretty. Okay, 2 more items and we are done. So let's look at this. This is by IDAZ. It is a water fit face mask, $20. It's a deep moisturizing ingredient. It hydrates and soothes the skin for dry skin problem. Okay, I definitely will give this a try because I love a good face mask. Who does not like good face mask? And this is a Korean brand. There's how many pieces in there? 5 pieces in here. So yeah, and this is how much again? I forgot already. $20. Alright, 2 more products. So next product is by Yibu Beauty. And this is the Icon Collection Lip Gloss for $19. And the color is called Guilty Pleasure. Ooh, I love that name, Guilty Pleasure. Take a look at this. I mean, it's pretty standard. It's Nothing like, wow, it's so fabulous. You know, let's look at the color here though. Okay, I don't know why they call guilty pleasure because no smell. It's just a very neutral peach color. Yeah, the name is the name definitely not matching the color. I mean, I'm thinking guilty pleasures like gold, luxe color, or shimmery, glossy. This is just a very neutral color, so I don't know why they call it guilty pleasure. Anyway, the last item right here is, okay, this is by Yibu Beauty, and this is the Drama Bum Mascara for $19, and the color is called Kim. Okay. This package is very, I wonder is this related to Egyptian? Look at the color. I mean, look at the color, all the writing right here. It's very Egyptian, like a pyramid type of style right here. The writing, I'm sorry. I don't know what you call them, but you know what I mean, right? Like the artwork inside the pyramid. That's made me feels like that. Maybe I do a little research on that later. Okay, it's kind of gold looking. So I can tell you, let me guess. If it's a drama mascara, that means the brush is very thick. Like a big brushes. Yeah, exactly. So this type of brush will give you more thicker lashes. Okay. So yeah, I think today's box is very fantastic. I really enjoyed the skincare part. I really wish this color is a little bit lighter for me, but it's way too dark, but it feels pretty good. And obviously I don't use eyeshadow, but this is a really beautiful color in there. So definitely two products I'll be using immediately. It is the serum and the face mask. What do you think about today's box? Let me know, leave a comment below if you like this, if you like any of this product too. Alright, make sure that you check out my skincare brand Yibu Beauty. Currently, we're offering a Lunar New Year special. With any purchase at Yibu Beauty, you will receive our Enchanting Bloom Essential Rose Bath Bomb. This bath bomb is so amazing. Take a look at this. It has a beautiful rose essential and purple sea salts in here with a gold rim. And when you drop this in the bathtub, the sizzling will last more than 10-15 minutes. So it's good because you don't want that to stop in just 3 minutes. And then the best part besides it smells so good, like you drench your whole body in the rose. The best part to me is when you drain the water out, there's no residue. So this is with any purchase at Yibu Beauty, you'll get it for free. And $50 or more, you get free shipping. Did I mention you can also use my discount code STEVE15 to receive additional 15% off. So definitely check out our website, yibubeauty.com. And make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know the date and the time I release my video. And follow my social media. Alright, see you guys later. Bye!